We want to start seeing babies roll from their belly to their back around 3 to 4 months of age. The first steps is going to be tummy time, where the head is elevated, and more importantly, there's going to be strength through the shoulders. So you can see she's on her forearms, but she's having nice good weight through her shoulders. The next step is actually going to be the transfer of weight. So what you'll see here is that I am placing a receiving blanket underneath her right hip so that she is placing more weight and transferring it into her left side. So once she's able to do this, then her head is going to make the transfer of the rest of that weight and pull her body over. So you'll see I'm going to go to the opposite side after this, where I'm going to put the receiving blanket underneath her left hip so she is putting more weight into her right side. What you'll then see is me taking a toy to get her to track, and now her head is going to lead this roll. So she's going to track the toy, she's going to follow it, follow it, follow it, her arm is going to follow, and then her leg, which is something you can practice over and over again and eventually remove the blanket. Now we have another little one here, and we're going to make sure we tuck those elbows in, get more of that strength through those shoulders. And instead of doing the transfer of weight to start here, we're just going to put a little bit of pressure underneath her thigh in the front, up closer to her hip, to encourage her to get used to that roll pattern. So you'll see that I'm putting a little bit of pressure here, but not very much. And when she's not really pushing into me, I just add a little bit more to complete that roll so they can get used to that pattern, and then we can repeat that over and over again. Then you'll see with another baby here, that same transfer of weight technique, where I'm putting the blanket underneath her right side. So she's putting more weight into her left shoulder, and you can see her, you saw her put more transfer and more weight into that left shoulder. And then again, just like we did with the last baby, we can take a toy and work on getting her to track it and lift that arm, which she did. Even though she didn't complete the roll here, she still did exactly what we wanted to start seeing.